Good day, everyone. You have the Bub031 again, and it's time for a mail call. I just went to the post office today because I found out that there was a slip for me in the mailbox, and I went and picked up this big old box. Oh. So, we're going to quickly open it up, see what's inside. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so I did a little bit of editing here, so right now there is a voiceover to this video. But I did open the box up, but I didn't really go scrummaging through it. So this is what we're going to do right now. This order came from the hobby shop out west I usually order from, PWRS. And as you can see, we're opening this up now. So these were in my goodie box as well. These are orders for other people that asked me to get these for them. The first thing I'm pulling out here is the Atherin 60-foot Canadian Tire containers. Yes, I bought all 4 packs for my intermodals. I'm going to see how they run, especially on top of the 53-footers. I can't wait to try these out. And as well, I'm now going to be pulling out all these cars. These are the 5431s that I ordered for members that are the 100th anniversary commemorative RCAF cars. So there's a few, there's 3 orders here. Someone got 1, someone got 2, someone else got a little bit extra. And then my set at the bottom, I actually got the full complete set of 12 cars. It was something I wanted. This is another order right here, though. This is not my order. That down there, the 2 big boxes, that's my order. So they're still in their box. And I'm going to show you what comes in this one. So when you get all 12, you actually get the commemorative coin. So yeah, this is what I got from PWRS. So we're going to finish up. So this is it for the unboxing, everyone. Thank you for watching. There will be a review and some run-by vids on these 5431s, especially when I had the 12-car set. I now have them separated where they are ready to go to their rightful owners of the orders. And there will be some run-by reviews here with these 60-foot containers. Not more of a review, more about seeing some videos. So, that's going to be it, everyone. I want to thank you all for watching. And as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.